Well, I have an old TP177A Siemens touchpad. That is the Siemens HMI. You can look at the details here. Touchpanel TP177A. Well, I want to take the backup of the project in this Touchpanel HMI to my PG, the programming laptop. For that purpose, I need a communication cable. In this case, I'm going to use Siemens USB/PPI multi-master cable. In short, we call it a PPI cable. This is the PPI cable, and I will connect the PPI cable to my touch panel, and the USB end would be connected to my PG, right? So for that purpose, you need a 24-volt power supply as well, right? This is my 24-volt power supply. I will switch on the power supply. The power supply has been switched on. Actually, the 220-volt was switched off, so I switched on that as well. Right now, the power supply, after the power supply has been switched on, my touch panel HMI would be started, right? So this is the project, right? So I want to take the backup so that I can store my project backup in this PG for use in future, right? Let me restart the HMI so that I can go to the settings, because I'm going to use a PPI cable for communication to the PG. I will go to the control panel. Here I will click on the transfer. Here I have been selected the serial channel, right? So PPI cable will act as serial cable. In this case, I'm not using an MPI cable, so I have not selected that channel. Press OK, cancel it, and I will click on the transfer. Once you have pressed the transfer button, this window will appear on the screen, and then you have to connect your PPI cable, the serial end of your PPI cable, with the touch panel TP177A, and the USB end will be connected to your PG, right? The laptop, the programming laptop. Now I will open the Prosave software. Prosave software is used for taking the backup of Siemens HMIs, and you can also use this software for restoring your project, the backup that you have taken. You have to, and if you want to restore the backup into the HMI, so still you have to use the Simatic Prosave, right? In both cases, for backing up the project and for restoring your project to the HMI. I will select the device type to TP177A. I will select the connection as serial via USB PPI cable, since I have connected this cable between the HMI and the PG. I will go to the backup menu. Save as, you can use any directory, but still here I will use my existing folder on the desktop. And give it a name, test. Backup. Start backup. After a few seconds, it will start to fetch the data from the touch panel, and the same window will appear on the touch panel as well. Here you can see transferring file 1 of 5. The transferring of files from the touch panel to the PG will take some time, probably a bit longer. Once it is completed, your selected directory will have the backup file in PSB format. This was the process of taking up the backup of your touch panel project. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Please feel free to ask any sort of question related to PLC, SCADA and HMI. Thank you.